Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we are at the beautiful Savannah subdivision, 756 Branch Crossing Drive in Covington, Louisiana. This is a DSLD home and it has all the upgrades that you are looking for. Approximately close to $20,000 worth of upgrades. Let's go ahead and take a look at this home. So as we enter the foyer, we go into guest bedroom number 1, laminate wood flooring. This beautifully painted walls, crown molding and base molding throughout the whole house. Ceramic tile flooring in the guest full bathroom. Granite countertops throughout the house, in the kitchen, and in all the bathrooms. Laminate wood flooring in guest bedroom number 2. Crown molding, base molding all throughout. This home is in excellent condition. So we are in the foyer. We are entering the kitchen. Here is the laundry. Take a quick look. And here is the kitchen. Granite countertops, stainless steel, gas appliances, all the bells and whistles, built-in microwave. This home is pristine. Here is the dining area with a wall of windows, a lot of natural lighting. Here is the living room. And again, base molding, crown molding throughout with these high ceilings. Okay. And we are in a flood zone X. All right, here's the primary bedroom. Base and crown molding all throughout. And here is granite countertops, a sink for him and a sink for her. Nice big tub, all right, with tile backsplash, crown molding and granite countertops all throughout. And here we have this newly renovated tile shower, bottom to top. Look at all the intricate details. Okay. And cannot forget about this customized closet with laminate wood flooring. Everything you need, top to bottom. Okay, awesome. So let's go take a look in the backyard. Little office nook right here. Here's the backyard. Now this property backs into green space. The properties that back into green space have sold for 12 to 15% more than properties that have not backed into green space. I did the analysis myself. Here is the back of the home. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, come see us. Come schedule your appointment. We are in the beautiful Savannah's neighborhood at 756 Branch Crossing Drive, Covington, Louisiana. This home is a flood zone X. Don't forget this shed in the backyard. There's no carpet in this house. Whole house is wood and ceramic flooring. The yard is fenced. There's green space behind the house. It's very quiet, very quiet. There are security systems that will remain. Washer, dryer, fridge, and shed to remain. And the house is under warranty with American Homeshield. Flood Zone X. Come see us. Thanks again. Bye-bye.